What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apples.
What do you eat the most?
I like eating apples the most.
Do you like to eat fruit?
Yes, I do. I like eating watermelons. And you?
Yeah, I also like to eat watermelons. It's delicious and healthy.
I think so too. Do you prefer to eat apples or eat watermelons?
I prefer to eat watermelons, but I also like to eat apples because it's delicious and healthy.
Do you often eat healthy food?
Yes, I do. I eat healthy food every day, like vegetables and fruits.
It's important for our health, so we have to eat fruits every day.
Yeah,